Hi there, my name's Neil, I'm from Mirka and I'm here on the 𝗍𝘶𝗶𝗍 stand today at the Installer Show doing demonstrations for the Mirka sanding tools and the Mirka abrasives. Today we're showing the 𝗙𝗏𝗏, and this is actually the new version of the 𝗙𝗏𝗏, the 𝗙𝗏𝗏 2, a bigger motor and a better vibration management system. This is still the lightest sander on the market and fantastically comfortable to use. We'll also be demonstrating our 𝗙𝗏𝗏, which is the rectangular version, and the new abrasives for Mirka, including 𝗬𝗏 our fantastic new ceramic abrasive for wood, and 𝗙𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗀, the best product in Mirka's range. We have pieces of solid surface. This is a 𝗪𝗏𝗏 product here, and we have wood as well, and we're showing various processes that you can come and see whenever you want. I'll show you now the sort of thing we're doing. This is actually a 180 grit disc, and you can see how easy it sands against a glue joint on solid surface to get that beautiful finish. And then you can continue polishing that up to a nice satin result. All the Mirka products are available on the 𝗍𝘶𝗶𝗍 website, and please come and say hello.